Hello students, it is Ankita. Very good morning. We have to introduce today the sequence of convergence sequence in real numbers which will converge. Then we have to say that absolute value of the convergence sequence is also convergent, right? This is the statement of this. That is, the mean is that if xn is a convergent sequence of real numbers, then the absolute value of this convergence sequence is also convergent, right? Now let us start the proof. The proof is so simple, but we have included in mod functions properties. What is the mod function property? Let us take a real numbers a and b is in R, that is in real numbers, right? So take the absolute value of real number a. When we take the absolute value of a, which is equals to a plus b minus b, when we take b and minus b, then there is no difference in the absolute value of this function, right? So let us define is that mod of a minus b plus b, right? By mod function property, it can be written as mod of a is less than equals to mod of a minus b plus mod of b, right? So by taking rearrangement of this, mod of a minus b, mod of b, which is less than equals to mod of a minus b, take this equation is first equation, right? Now let us similarly take mod of b. We have taken two real numbers a and b, so for mod of a, then this equation is true. Then for mod of b, this is mod of b plus a minus b, which will give less than equals to mod of a minus b mod plus mod of a. This is also by the rearrangement and mod function property, right? Now taking the all together first and second equation, this will becomes the equation is mod of a minus b minus mod of b, which is less than equals to mod of a minus b, right? So this will true for all a comma b is in complex number. What we have to prove that, we have to prove that if we have a convergence sequence, then the absolute value of this convergence sequence is also convergent, right? If it is convergent sequence, then suppose xn is converges to x for all epsilon is greater than to 0, there exists and is in natural number such that mod of xn minus x, which is less than to epsilon. This is the definition of convergent sequence, right? Now applying the inequality which we have proved in this is the inequality which we have proved. Now applying this inequality, this will give mod of xn minus mod of x, which is less than equals to mod of xn minus x, right? As we know, by the convergence of the sequence of xn, this is convergent, so it is less than to epsilon, and if it is less than to epsilon, this will make this inequality is also less than to epsilon. So this implies that this definition of the convergence, so mod of xn is also converges to mod of x.